When Shibarium is released, Shiba Inu will rise to $0.01 overnight. Ryoshi, the man of Shiba Inu Coin, has suggested Shibarium as an L2 solution blockchain. Be aware that Shibarium is not the blockchain of Shiba Inu. It has been and always will be connected to Ethereum. Reducing transaction costs for consumers of the Shiba ecosystem is one of the primary objectives. With the debut of Shibarium, the price of Shiba Inus will rise quickly and attract new investors. This video will discuss how, when Shibarium is released, Shiba Inu will rise to $0.01 overnight. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. But before we go on to our subject, let's check at the chart and see what the Shiba price is doing on December 20. The price of a Shiba Inu is now about 1022 units. During the last 24 hours, there has been a 1.7% increase in pricing, with $233 million worth of activity. The token is presently the 17th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market worth of more than $6 billion. Note that these prices may have changed by the time you saw the video, and that the information provided here is not intended to be financial advice. A few months ago, Shib dropped out of the top 15 biggest cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. According to this measure, it is now ranked 18th. By the end of 2021, Shib saw a tremendous upswing and hit a new all-time high. Since then, however, it has decreased by 86% from these levels. Shib has had trouble gaining traction over the last several weeks due to the same instability that has hampered the whole cryptocurrency market. But when the meme currency managed to hold above the $0.01 mark for 2 months, things seem to be improving. For some time now, the price of SHIBs has been over the $0.01 support threshold. It exceeded this threshold towards the end of July, and the activities caused an increase of more than 50%. It kept the market moving upward for a while until sellers joined the fray. Mid-September saw confirmation of SHIB's downward trend. SHIB's price will go below the $0.01 levels and test the support at $0.93 and $0.83 if the present bearish trend holds. Even while a drop like this could seem negative in the near run, it might start a long-term bull trend as investors rush to purchase the meme currency at discounted pricing. The signal line is where the moving average convergence-divergence line is located, indicating a contest for dominance between bulls and bears. The 46 relative strength indicator indicates that although selling pressure persists, optimistic enthusiasm is eroding. As a result, SHIB could temporarily keep trading in the red zone. But the RSI may also indicate that a trend reversal is about to occur. SHIB may now hop to test the following resistance at $0.12 and $0.15. Still, wider commercial backing and favorable ecosystem changes may also be necessary for this leap. Large wallet investors on the Ethereum blockchain have amassed more than 855 billion Shiba Inu tokens in the just 3 days. Whale's massive amassing of Shiba Inus is seen as a positive trend reversal in SHIB. The top 100 whales on the Ethereum blockchain have acquired more than 855 billion Shiba Inu tokens, according to statistics from Whale Stats. Remarkably, 4.35 trillion Shiba Inu coins have been transferred by big wallet investors. Large wallet investors amassing Shiba Inu, or a significant volume of tokens in circulation, often indicate a change in the meme coin's value. Through dips, whales on the Ethereum network amass Shiba Inu tokens. Massive whale activity coincides with local peaks and Shiba Inu prices. Advocates thus see the accumulation period as positive for owners of Shiba Inus. According to SHIB Burn, Shiba Inu's burn tracker, 76.4 million SHIB tokens have been taken out of circulation forever. By being delivered to dead wallets, these tokens have been permanently destroyed. According to FX Street technical expert Tony M., the price of Shiba Inu is about to rise to 0.00001. The analyst observes that throughout the previous week, the price of Shiba Inus has trended down. The period's irregular pullbacks suggest that the Shiba Inu's downtrend is weak and that a positive trend reversal is likely. The expert thinks that bulls must hold the $0.0000880 level as support in order to invalidate the Shiba Inu's bullish trend. Should the price of Shiba Inu go below this barrier, it will probably spiral down to $0.738. Even with the rise in burn rate, the total amount of SHIB burnt in these 3 months was still limited at $10.4 billion or $115,000. Furthermore, according to statistics from CryptoQuant, net deposits on exchanges were high when compared to the 7-day average. This might be seen as increased market pressure to sell, one of the primary causes of the price decline, and is renowned for its superb partnership with the Marvel film world. Because of their collaboration with TTF, experts do not believe this will result in Shiba Inus costing the moon. Instead, they anticipate world-class designs, visualizations, and development. However, some of the initiatives inside the Shiba Inu ecosystem will need Shibarium even as it grows its SHIB roadmap. The Layer 2 approach that is being presented will provide several advantages. Shibarium may fix the issue by raising SHIB's petrol cost in addition to reducing the transaction price. Shibarium would facilitate developers' work on this problem, even if they are already working on it. Additionally, it said that investors would benefit from Shibarium's burning mechanism, which would help burn the approximately 549 trillion SHIB tokens that are now in circulation. After the debut of Shibarium, Shiba Inu is probably prepared to ascend, and last Friday saw an increase in burn rate to 408%. Shiba Inu's native cryptocurrency, BONE, saw a 20% increase today, reaching a new intraday high of $1.37. As the launch date of the Shibarium public beta testnet approaches, investors are placing increasing purchasing pressure on the token, which is causing the price of BONE to rise. By the end of this month, the testnet launch should go place, assuming nothing changes. The token's price reached a high of $1.77 earlier this week, and in the last 30 days, it has increased by 87%. As a result, those who bought BONEs last month saw a roughly twofold rise in their portfolio. The cost of BONEs has increased from July 2023. In less than a month, the price increased from $0.48 to $1.10. As of Thursday afternoon, the price of BONEs is still climbing, according to the most recent CoinGecko data. Before the conclusion of the next week, it should trade at $2 if it can maintain this pace. Over the last 3 months, the price of BONEs has doubled, providing investors with enormous profits on their investments. However, the precise date of the Shibarium network's introduction is yet unknown. The SHIB team just said that this month will mark the launch. It seems sense that investors are purchasing more BONEs tokens in an effort to get in before Shibarium launches. Given that the token would have a use case on the Shibarium network, investors think the price of BONEs might continue to rise. For these investors, a price rise would thus result in higher returns. According to recent reports, BONE will continue to draw increased purchasing pressure until the SHIB team makes an announcement on the Layer 2 network's debut date. The most recent data shows that BONE is up 10.9% over the last day and is trading at $1.37. It is still 91.3% below its July 2021 top price of $15.50, however. The SHIB team revealed earlier this month that BONE tokens will have a $230 million maximum, ending further BONE token minting. BONE's maximum supply is still $250 million. However, $20 million of that amount is allocated for Shibarium validators and gas. One of the factors that contributed to BONE's remarkable price increase and ranking among the top cryptocurrency gainers last month was news of exchange listings. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.